Hey everyone, welcome back to Vegiverse. Imagine this. You're having a terrible day. Your computer just crashed, your coffee spilled, and you're venting to a chatbot for help. You type, "Oh, this is just fantastic," dripping with sarcasm. And the bot cheerfully replies, "I'm glad you're having a fantastic day. How can I assist?" Oof, right? That moment highlights everything wrong with today's AI. It's smart, but it's emotionally clueless. Today, we're diving into why future AI desperately needs emotional intelligence, or EI. Not just to avoid those cringy moments, but to truly partner with us in life. Stick around, because this could change how we interact with tech forever. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. First off, what even is emotional intelligence? Think about it like this. We've all got that friend who just gets you. They read your tone, your face, and know when to crack a joke or offer a hug. Psychologists like Daniel Goleman describe EI as the ability to perceive emotions, use them to think better, understand their complexities, and manage them in ourselves and others. Humans rely on it for everything from building relationships to navigating tough conversations. But AI? It's like a genius with zero social skills. It crunches data like a champ, driving cars, writing code, beating chess masters, but when it comes to human nuance, it falls flat. Take sarcasm, for example. AI might skin words like fantastic and think, positive vibe, without catching the frustration behind them. Or imagine an AI therapist dishing out generic advice to someone in real pain. It could make things worse. This is what I call the emotional gap. Current AI is built on logic and patterns from massive datasets, but it misses the subtext, the body language, the tone. Why does this matter? Because AI is everywhere now in our phones, homes, and jobs. If it can't read the room, it's not just inefficient. It can alienate us or even cause harm. Let's look at some real-world fails. In customer service, chatbots often turn frustration into rage. Picture trying to fix a billing error. You start polite, but after canned responses, you're yelling in all caps. The bot? Still chirping happily. A 2022 Gartner survey showed tons of customers feel misunderstood by these bots, ditching brands altogether. What if the AI could detect your rising anger from your word choice or typing speed? It could say, "I get that this is frustrating. Let's skip the basics and connect you to a human right away." Boom, problem de-escalated, loyalty built. And it's not just service. In healthcare, AI spots symptoms from scans better than humans, but patients aren't just data. What if an AI nurse robot noticed your anxious voice or pained expression and alerted staff? Or in mental health apps like Wobot, true empathy could build trust, not just spit out scripts. For elders fighting loneliness, an AI companion that laughs at your jokes or senses sadness in your stories. That's game-changing. Education too. Imagine a tutor AI spotting your boredom from slow clicks and switching to a fun game. Rhetorical question. Wouldn't learning feel less like a chore if your teacher actually cared about your mood? This isn't sci-fi, it's a practical need. AI without EI is like a car without brakes, powerful, but risky in real life. So, how do we build this? It's not magic, it's smart engineering. First, data is key. Train AI on multimodal stuff, not just text, but videos of faces, audio tones, even heart rates from wearables. Datasets like EffectNet teach AI to link a frown with sadness or a high pitch with excitement. Throw in sarcasm? Pair flat voices with eye rolls. Then, use reinforcement learning. AI generates responses, humans rate them for empathy, and it learns what feels right. Like, that must be tough beats, error noted. We can even borrow from our brains. Mimic the amygdala for quick emotion detection or the prefrontal cortex for regulating responses. Build in theory of mind, AI guessing why you're sad based on context, like, you mentioned a bad day at work. Want to talk? And don't stop there, create feedback loops. AI chats, watches your reaction, and adapts in real time. Over time, it personalizes to you, like a friend learning your quirks. But hold up, pumping AI with emotions opens a Pandora's box of ethics. This is crucial. An AI that reads feelings could manipulate them. Imagine ads hitting when you're lonely, pushing junk food or impulse buys. Or a bot spreading fake news tailored to spark fear in elections. That's emotional phishing, folks. And dependency? Kids or seniors might prefer perfect AI pals over messy human ones, as Sherry Tickle warns in her book Alone Together. Privacy? Yikes. To work, AI needs your face data, voice quivers, intimate stuff. Constant surveillance could track moods in public or at home. Consent must be crystal clear. Users control what data is grabbed, and it's super secure. Bias is another nightmare. If training data's mostly Western faces, it might misread emotions from other cultures, leading to unfair hiring or policing. We need diverse datasets and audits to fix this. Boundaries matter too. AI should admit it's a machine. I can't feel, but I understand you're upset. And for vulnerable folks, escalate fast, like calling a hotline if it senses crisis. Bottom line, design with heart, but regulate hard. We need global rules on liability, benchmarks for ethical empathy, and teams mixing techies with ethicists. Wrapping this up, the future of AI isn't just smarter logic, it's emotional wisdom. Bridging this gap means healthcare that heals the whole you, education that inspires, and tech that connects us deeper. It's about amplifying humanity, not replacing it. What do you think? Could empathetic AI change your life, or does it scare you? Drop a comment below, like if this sparked ideas, and subscribe for more deep dives into tech's future. Hit the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, see you next time.